Hello again everybody, thank you for watching. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to adjust the canvas size in a video in Shotcut. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below and hit that notification button to see our next videos first. This video will be helpful if you happen to be editing a video from a portrait or vertical orientation to a landscape or horizontal orientation, or if you just want to change the size of the canvas. One quick way to do this is right from the start. Right here where it says video mode, you can click on it and change the canvas size right from the beginning. But we are going to leave it because you may already be deep into the project and you still need to change the canvas size. It even says right here, when it's on automatic, it will automatically adjust to the dimensions of the first file that is dropped in. So if you drop in a file that is in portrait orientation, it will stay that way. You have to manually adjust it afterwards. So let's get started. I will name this project Video Rotate Alternative and click Start. And I say alternative because I made a video previously that explains how to do this another way, and I'll put a link in the description below. Right here is where you'll need to go to change the canvas size. As you can see, there are multiple options to choose from based on your resolution. Right now I am using Shotcut version 19.12.31. If you do not have the most recent version, I would go ahead and get that. So right now I'm going to go ahead and drop in the vertical video to edit. As you can see, the canvas is only as big as the video that I dropped in because it is set to automatic. And I'll show you what happens if you start adding the rotation filters right now. I will add the rotation and scale filter and rotate it 90 degrees. And this is what you get. The canvas is locked and you end up with a black on top and bottom because it did not adjust to the rotation. So let's undo that filter and get rid of it, and I'll show you how to properly do this. So go to Settings and then Video Mode and select which options you'd like. For me, I will choose a 1080p for 60 FPS. Now you can see that the canvas is now horizontal or in landscape orientation. Now we need to rotate the video to match. So add back in that filter to rotate and scale. And I will rotate again to 90 degrees. Now you can scale the video to zoom in or out to make it match the canvas. For this video, I need 178%. Now it fits the canvas perfectly. If I wanted to do more edits, I can, but for this example, I'm done. That's all I wanted to do to the video. So I will drag this down to the timeline. And everybody, that's it. Now the video is ready to export. Now you have that vertical video and horizontal. Thank you everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, I'd appreciate it if you guys will like and subscribe to the channel and comment if there's any tutorials that you'd like to see next. Thank you everybody. Take care.